Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Wonderful Memories Handmade Gifts. In today's video we are going to see a cake box of the Friends theme. You can see the captions. One where Vaishnavi turns 19 is a type of the title which is used in the Friends TV show, and also the theme is a birthday. You can see the cake box, how I designed it. I have used here a foam sheet of sparkle, and I have used the purple color theme. Using a sparkle foam sheet, I have shown the cream drippings, so it will give a proper look to our cake box. So let's open the box now. I have covered the downward side of the box with the photos and the clips and some Friends TV show stickers. You can see a box filled with all Friends TV show stuff, merchandise. The person is a fan of the TV show, that's why it is used. So here you can see a bookmark where I have overloaded all small cutouts of dialogues, iconic dialogues of Friends TV show. So next you can see a tiny mini rosette of a message happy birthday on it. Then a mini card of frame with message and photos. Again one mini card with the message and photos and stickers. And here it is, the main attraction, a mini album with the purple ribbon and the turkey sticker. Inside you can see two message cards and some photos. Album was overloaded with all iconic dialogues. So now let's tie it and keep it aside and see what's next in the box. Okay, now let's see what's next. Okay, tag album. Tag album, again the iconic dialogues and the cutouts from the favorite main character and the photos. This is a shaker card. And again one attraction, that all posters of all dialogues of 10 seasons with the purple ribbon. So now let's rearrange the box again. Just keep the mini album inside in the proper order. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Also like our video and mention if you like this video in the comment section below. So till then, bye guys. I will see you in the next video.